Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CBAP Business Analysis Professional. Lecture 9, Agile Perspective. The Agile perspective refers to a set of values, principles, and practices that guide the development and management of software projects. It emerged as a response to the traditional, plan-driven approaches that often led to lengthy development cycles, rigid processes, and a lack of adaptability to changing requirements. Here's an explanation of some key aspects of the Agile perspective. 1. Values. Agile is grounded in 4 core values outlined in the Agile Manifesto. A. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. B. Working software over comprehensive documentation. C. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. D. Responding to change over following a plan. 2. Principles. The Agile Manifesto also articulates 12 principles that further elaborate on how to prioritize the values in practical project management. These principles emphasize flexibility, communication, feedback, and continuous improvement. 3. Iterative development. Agile methodologies promote iterative development cycles, where the project is divided into small increments or iterations. Each iteration typically lasts a few weeks and results in a potentially shippable product increment. 4. Collaboration and communication. Agile emphasizes close collaboration between cross-functional teams comprising developers, testers, designers, and business stakeholders. Communication is frequent and transparent, with teams often co-located or using digital tools to facilitate interaction. 5. Adaptability. Agile methodologies are designed to embrace change. Requirements can evolve throughout the project, and Agile teams are encouraged to welcome change, respond quickly, and adjust their plans accordingly. 6. Continuous improvement. Agile fosters a culture of continuous improvement through regular reflection and adaptation. Teams hold regular retrospectives to assess their processes and identify opportunities for enhancement. 7. Empowerment. Agile teams are empowered to make decisions and solve problems autonomously. Managers serve as facilitators rather than micromanagers, supporting the team's needs and removing obstacles to progress. 8. Feedback loops. Agile practices incorporate frequent feedback loops to validate assumptions, verify functionality, and ensure alignment with stakeholder expectations. This feedback helps teams course-correct early and often. Overall, the Agile perspective prioritizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer value, enabling teams to deliver high-quality software that meets evolving needs efficiently and effectively.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.